What's up, guys? This is a Honeywell thermostat, a programmable thermostat. And if it starts flashing that the batteries need to be replaced inside, it's pretty easy to do. You can turn it off first, so switch that to off if you so desire. And then you want to lift from under here. You can use a screwdriver, otherwise you can just use your hands and just pull up on it like this. Just give it a good firm pull up. And there are the batteries right there. You may need to pull those little plastic tabs down. Then the batteries will come right out. Make sure you insert some new batteries in the same configuration as you see these. This is I believe that's the model number on the top right there, 1712. But a lot of different Honeywell thermostats look the same and have the same batteries in them. And then to put it back in, just sort of hook it from the top like that and push firmly. Make sure it comes on normally. You may have to reset your clock possibly, but I didn't. And if you do, just hit the set button and it'll show set clock, and then just go up or down depending on what time you need to change it to. That's it. Make sure you see our channel for other stuff. We got all kinds of videos relating to working around the house, appliances, cars, dirt bikes, ATVs, classic cars, dirt motocross bikes, street bikes, Harley Davidsons, all kind of stuff on our channel. So check it out. And if our video helped you out, make sure you click the thanks button you see underneath the video screen. Please send a donation because YouTube is completely free. You'll have a great day.